I am Michelle Miller, a teacher, founder and CEO of Robokids. Our world is being defined by automation. It is predicted that robots will take up to 75% of our children's future jobs. It makes common sense that we have robotics in our curriculums. Robokids' vision is an Australia where every child leaves school with the innovative and technical skills that they need to thrive in their ever-changing world that lies ahead of them. We target every boy and every girl from preschool to year 10 with our robotics curriculum aligned to national standards in STEM. Together, we will prepare our Aussie kids for their future.
Hi, we are Australia's first innovation generation.
No way, no way. The ball's inside my head. I say, the flag I wave is red.
It's not possible to get rid of it.
And it was fun, and you could kind of do your own thing. You didn't have to follow what the teacher was telling you, so it was really independent, and I really liked that.
If I woke up the other side of
Yes, I want to be a robotics engineer when I'm older.
I'd be the avalanche, and I'd be what's wrong, and I'd be everything I wasn't made of.